What if I told you that the difference between staying strong at 70 and struggling to get out of a chair could come down to the type of protein you eat? Plant or animal? One choice can protect your muscles, the other might be silently draining your health. As we age, something sneaky happens inside our bodies. From the age of 50, most people start losing muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia. That means less strength, slower movements, weaker bones, and even a higher risk of falls. Now, here's the painful truth. Even if you eat 3 meals a day, you might not be getting enough quality protein to stop this decline. Worse, choosing the wrong protein source could put stress on your kidneys, raise cholesterol, or make you feel bloated and tired. So, seniors everywhere are asking the same burning question. Should I stick to animal protein for strength or switch to plants for better health? Here's the good news. You don't have to choose just one side. The secret lies in understanding the strengths and weaknesses of both plant-based and animal-based proteins, and how to combine them for maximum benefit. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which proteins help protect your muscles as you age, which ones to eat daily without harming your health, and the smartest way to balance plant and animal proteins for energy, strength, and longevity. 1. Animal protein, the strength builder with a price tag. Let's start with animal protein: meat, fish, dairy, and eggs. Here's why seniors love it. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. It's especially rich in leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle building. Think of leucine as the on switch for your muscle health. Animal protein is also easier to digest for many seniors, making it a quick fix for muscle maintenance. But here's the catch. Red meat and processed meats can raise cholesterol and increase the risk of heart disease. Too much dairy can cause digestive issues like bloating and gas. And high amounts of animal protein may stress the kidneys in older adults with pre-existing kidney problems. So, does this mean you should cut out animal protein? Absolutely not. The key is choosing the right sources: lean chicken and turkey, fish like salmon, sardines, and trout. Bonus, omega-3s protect your heart. Eggs, cheap, versatile, and nutrient-dense low-fat dairy like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. Think of animal protein as your muscle insurance policy, but only if you pick the clean, lean versions. 2. Plant protein, the longevity secret weapon. Now, let's talk about plant proteins: beans, lentils, tofu, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Why plant protein matters for seniors. They're packed with fiber, which keeps digestion smooth and lowers cholesterol. They come with antioxidants and phytochemicals that reduce inflammation and support healthy aging. They're naturally lower in saturated fat, which is a win for heart health. But there's a challenge. Most plant proteins are incomplete, meaning they don't have all the essential amino acids. Some, like beans, can cause gas or bloating, which puts many seniors off. The smart solution? Mix and match. For example, rice plus beans, a complete protein. Hummus, put whole grain pita, complete protein. Tofu stir-fry with quinoa, nutrient powerhouse. And don't forget superstar plant proteins like lentils. 1 cup has about 18 grams of protein. Quinoa, a rare complete plant protein. Soy foods like tofu, edamame, and tempeh. Chia and hemp seeds, tiny but mighty protein boosters. Plant proteins are your health guardians. They may not pack as much muscle punch as steak, but they help your body age gracefully, keeping your heart, digestion, and blood sugar in check. 3. The smart balance: plant plus animal. The perfect combo. Here's where the magic happens. Seniors don't need to pick a side in the plant versus animal debate. You need the best of both worlds. Imagine your plate like this: animal protein for muscle strength, plant protein for longevity and disease prevention. Here's an example of a perfect day of balanced protein. Breakfast: Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries. Lunch: grilled salmon with quinoa and spinach. Snack: a handful of almonds or hummus with veggie sticks. Dinner: chicken stir-fry with lentils and brown rice. See the pattern? Every meal combines plant and animal proteins for a steady stream of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. And here's a golden rule for seniors. Aim for 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal, spaced throughout the day. That way, your body can actually use it for muscle building instead of wasting it. 4. Busting myths. Clearing senior protein confusion. Now let's tackle some myths that confuse seniors. Myth 1. Animal protein is bad for your kidneys. Truth: if your kidneys are healthy, moderate animal protein is perfectly safe. The risk only increases if you already have kidney disease. Myth 2. Plants don't have enough protein. Truth: plants can give you plenty of protein when eaten in variety. Just think of beans, lentils, tofu, and quinoa. Myth 3. Whey protein powders are only for bodybuilders. Truth: seniors actually benefit a lot from whey protein shakes. It's fast digesting, high in leucine, and perfect for maintaining muscle mass. Add it to your morning smoothie, and you've got an instant senior-friendly strength booster. 5. Practical tips. How to add more protein without feeling overwhelmed. Here are simple tricks you can use starting today. Add nuts and seeds to your breakfast cereal or salads. Swap white rice for quinoa. Extra protein, extra nutrients. Choose Greek yogurt instead of regular yogurt. Double the protein. Keep boiled eggs ready in the fridge for quick snacks. Try a protein smoothie with whey or pea protein powder after a walk. These small swaps stack up, and before you know it, you'll feel stronger, more energized, and healthier. So now you know, the real answer to the plant versus animal protein debate isn't choosing one over the other. It's about finding the perfect balance for your senior years. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because every week I share tips that can add more strength, energy, and joy to your life after 50. And before you go, I've got another video you don't want to miss. 6 collagen fruits doctors want seniors to eat daily. It pairs perfectly with what you just learned today. Now I want to hear from you. Do you feel better eating plant protein, animal protein, or a mix of both? Drop your answer in the comments. I'll be reading every single one.